Magandang buhay sa lahat. Paboritong sasakyan ni Enrique Hill na Camaro Bumblebee, Chevrolet, sold na. Ayon kay JV Hill, ang panganay na kapatid ni Enrique. It's a mystical bond between man and machine. Transformers, my favorite movie of all time. Driving you was an experience I will never forget. Farewell, my old friend.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town.